How to turn off family sharing on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on the Family section located at the top of the Settings page. Here, you can see your family group and manage shared services like subscriptions and location. To stop sharing, tap on your own name at the top, which is labeled as Organizer. This page shows your specific sharing settings for subscriptions, purchases, and more. At the bottom of this screen, tap the text Stop using family sharing. A confirmation message will appear, warning that family members will lose access to shared services. Tap on Stop using family sharing again to confirm. The Family section will then disappear from your settings page. Following these steps, you can easily turn off family sharing on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.